Hello everyone, welcome to Banking CA. Let us discuss 7th August 2020. Before starting this video, you please make a running notes of my video lecture. Let's begin. India's first Kisan Rail will run between Devlali in Maharashtra and Danapur in Bihar. This Kisan Rail is launched by the Ministry of Railways and Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. The Minister of Railways is Piyush Goyal. His Rajya Sabha constituency is Maharashtra. And the Agriculture Minister is Narendra Singh Tomar and his constituency is Morena. And he also has an additional portfolio urban development. The main aim of this train is to double the farmers' income by 2022. And this train has a length of 1519 kilometers and will cover in 31 hours. August 7th was chosen as a National Handloom Day to commemorate the Swadeshi movement. The first Swadeshi movement is launched by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on August 7, 2015 at Centenary Hall, Madras University, Chennai. Airtel Payment Bank Bharati AXA partner to offer shop insurance for retailers. The main aim of this insurance is whenever a theft or fire or floods or earthquake occur at mountain areas, then there will be a flexible insured option from 2 lakh to 25 lakh. The Airtel Payment Bank is headquartered at New Delhi and Managing Director and CEO is Anubrata Biswas, whereas Bharati AXA is headquartered at Mumbai and the Managing Director and CEO is Sanjeev Srinivasan. Coming to the next point, Indian Railways launches OHE inspection app for real-time monitoring. Railway Minister is Piyush Goyal and his Rajya Sabha constituency is Maharashtra. The main aim of this app is to to know the delay of trains. The next point, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses on new educational policy 2020 organized by video conference mode by UGC and MOE. UGC stands for University Grants Commission. The chairman is D.K. Singh, whereas MOE stands for Ministry of Education and the old name is Ministry of Human Resource and Development, and the present Ministry of Education is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. His constituency is Haridwar, Uttarakhand. After a 34 years gap, the educational reformation is changed, and the main drafter for this new educational policy 2022 is Indian space scientist K. Kasturi Rangan. The next one, US Senate approves TikTok ban on government devices. The President of United States of America is Mr. Donald Trump. TikTok is a Chinese app and his parent company is a Beijing based company ByteDance, and the founder of TikTok is Jiang Yiming. Giri Chandra Murmu becomes the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India. He is also the first Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. WTF Sports Ambassador Harmanpreet Kaur and Suresh Raina. Obituaries. Samir Sharma is a TV actor, died on 7th August 2020 due to suicide attempt. Whereas Anupama Pathak, a Bhojpuri actress, is also a suicide attempt and she also died. whereas Shirley Ann Grau, a Pulitzer Prize winner for the novel The Keepers of House. That's today current affairs, friends. If you like the video, please share, subscribe our channel Banking CE. All the best, friends.